I had this Stanley Cup carton with me, and when I took out the cups from this, I straight away knew what I have to do with this. An idea struck my mind that very moment. I thought that Janmashtami is around the corner, and from quite a long time I was thinking of creating a Singhasan for Kanhaji. Firstly, I thought of creating it with some beautiful brocade fabric, but here I don't have any of them. So I took out all my craft supplies and craft papers to create this. I covered the external part of this box with the help of a self-adhesive paper and created the base with some cardboards. Then I pasted white paper all inside the box. That's how my basic structure was ready. After that, I had to decorate the backdrop for this, and for that I used some ribbons and stick-ons. I used stapler and glue to make this. After that, I had to create a swing for Kanhaji, and for that I used cardboard and some origami papers. For making the swing, I cut the cardboard in round shape and pasted the origami sheet on it with the help of a glue. After that, I pasted a shimmery dori around the circle to create a Singhasan for Kanhaji. I used the same dori to hang it from the box's upper side to create a swing out of it. I had this lumba rakhi with me, so I hung it from the top to create something like a dahi handi thing. To decorate the box from outside, I created leaf-shaped patterns from origami sheets and pasted it with the help of double-sided tape on it. I had some more craft supplies with me, which I used to create and decorate this Singhasan for Kanhaji. That's how I created this beautiful Singhasan for Kanhaji. Isn't it looking so pretty? I am completely in love with this. How about you? Do you like it? Do let me know in comments. Have you subscribed to my channel as yet? If not, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. May Lord Krishna's flute invite the melody of love into your life, and Radha's love teach you to love for eternity. Happy Janmashtmi to everyone. May this Janmashtami bring love, peace, harmony into your life. Hare Krishna. See you next time. Till then, bye bye.